What if every single morning when you wake up and turn on your hot shower, you are paying for something that the sun has been offering you completely free every single day of your entire life? Right now, the average American household spends between $400 and $600 every single year just on water heating. That is not the entire energy bill, that is just the cost of heating water. In the UK, families spend over $350 annually on water heating alone. In Australia, that number climbs to over $500 every year, going directly to energy companies for the privilege of having warm water come out of a pipe. And here is what makes that number genuinely infuriating. A $5 piece of black plastic pipe sitting in direct sunlight heats water to temperatures between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius. Hot enough for a shower, hot enough for washing dishes, hot enough for laundry, hot enough for every single hot water need your household has every single day. No electricity, no gas, no monthly bill, no utility company involved at any stage. Just a black pipe, sunlight, and the most basic law of physics that every person on Earth learned in school, and somehow completely forgot to apply to their monthly energy bill. This method has been used by solar engineers, off-grid homesteaders, and survival experts for decades. NASA studied the thermodynamic principles behind it. The United States Department of Energy validated it. And plumbing companies across the developed world have been quietly hoping it stays a niche topic, discussed only in survivalist forums and off-grid homesteading blogs rather than a mainstream household knowledge that eliminates an entire line item from your monthly energy bill permanently. If this is the first time you have landed on this channel, then right now, before we go one single word further, you need to hit that subscribe button. Every single week on Prep and Prevail, we bring you exactly this kind of knowledge. Here is the science that makes this work, and it is so simple and so obvious once you hear it that you will be genuinely surprised you never thought of it before. Black surfaces absorb heat from sunlight more efficiently than any other color. This is a basic law of physics called radiation absorption, and it is the reason you feel hotter wearing a black shirt on a sunny day than a white one. A black surface absorbs up to 95% of the solar radiation that hits it. A white surface reflects up to 80% of that same radiation away. When you run water through a black pipe exposed to direct sunlight, the pipe absorbs the solar radiation, converts it to heat energy, and transfers that heat directly into the water flowing through it. The longer the water stays inside the black pipe in sunlight, the hotter it gets. This is called a thermosiphon solar water heating system, and it is the most basic form of solar water heating ever designed. It requires no pump, it requires no electricity, it requires no controller or thermostat. It works entirely on the passive movement of water driven by temperature differences. Hot water rises naturally, cold water sinks. When the water in your black pipe heats up, it naturally rises into a storage tank above the pipe. Cold water from the bottom of the tank naturally flows down into the pipe to replace it. This convection cycle continues automatically as long as the sun is shining, driving a continuous loop of water heating, without any mechanical component, any electrical component, or any ongoing cost whatsoever. The United States Department of Energy published comprehensive research confirming that passive solar water heating systems can provide between 50 and 80% of a household's annual hot water needs. In areas with high solar exposure, that percentage climbs to 90% or higher. The International Energy Agency documented in their 2022 Renewable Energy Report that solar water heating is the single most cost-effective renewable energy technology available. Not solar panels, not wind turbines, not any high-technology renewable system. Simple solar water heating is the most financially efficient renewable energy investment. Here is the exact method. The simplest and most effective version uses standard black polypipe available at any hardware store. It costs approximately $1 per meter. You need 5 meters for a basic system. That is $5 of materials. You coil the pipe into a flat spiral shape and secure it. You place this coil flat on a surface that receives maximum direct sunlight. Your roof, a south-facing wall, or any surface where sunlight hits directly for the majority of the day. The inlet at the bottom connects to your cold supply. The outlet at the top connects to your shower, sink, or storage tank. By the time it reaches the top, it has absorbed enough solar heat to reach temperatures between 45 and 75 degrees Celsius. In strong summer sunlight, this produces water hot enough to require mixing with cold water to avoid scalding. $5. One afternoon of installation, permanent free hot water for as long as the sun continues rising. Now here is the winter version that makes this system relevant and powerful all year round and not just in summer. This is the part most people miss. The key to winter performance is the greenhouse effect. When you enclose your coil inside a simple box with a clear glass top, you create a miniature greenhouse around your pipe. Sunlight passes through the cover and is absorbed, but the clear cover prevents that heat from escaping into the cold air. The temperature inside can reach 120 degrees Celsius on a clear winter day, even when the outside air is below freezing. This is the same principle that makes a car interior unbearably hot on a sunny winter day. The glass traps the radiation. A wooden box, black pipe, and clear plastic produces hot water in winter. Total system cost, between $15 and $20. Annual savings on water heating, between $200 and $500 depending on your current energy costs and your climate. The moment you understand this, your gas company loses you as a customer forever. The bacteria never stop working and the sun never stops rising. The upgrade that takes this system from a basic summer shower solution to a full household hot water system is the addition of a simple insulated storage tank. When you add a small insulated tank above your solar collector, the thermosiphon effect automatically circulates water and stores the heat. The insulation keeps that water hot for hours after the sun goes down, allowing you to use solar heated water for your evening shower and laundry. A basic tank can be built from a standard container wrapped in old blankets, foam sheets, or even newspaper and cardboard. People who have built these systems consistently report morning water temperatures of 35 to 45 degrees Celsius from the previous afternoon. Here is the data that puts the financial reality of this into complete perspective. Water heating accounts for approximately 18% of total energy use. That makes it the second largest single energy expense in your household, behind space heating and ahead of all other appliances combined. 18% of your entire energy bill going to heat water that a $5 black pipe in sunlight heats for free. Over a 30-year period, the average American household spends between $12,000 and $18,000 on water heating energy costs. A $5 black pipe solar system installed today and maintained for 30 years costs $5. One time. The contrast in those two numbers should make every person reading this genuinely furious. There is one practical consideration that every person building this system needs to understand clearly. Black polypipe is rated for outdoor use, but standard black irrigation pipe has a maximum safe operating temperature of approximately 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. On very hot days, unshaded coils can exceed this. The solution is simple. Either use HDPE black pipe, which is rated to higher temperatures, or install a simple overflow valve that bleeds hot water out when temperatures exceed a safe threshold, or simply shade part of your coil on peak summer days to limit maximum temperature. All three solutions cost nothing or nearly nothing and completely eliminate this limitation. Here's what this comes down to. You have been paying $600 every single year. A $5 pipe produces it for free. The thermosiphon principle requires no electricity, no gas, no maintenance, and no ongoing cost. The U.S. Department of Energy validated it. The IEA called it the most cost-effective renewable technology globally. And it costs $5. Start this weekend. Buy 5 meters of black poly pipe from any hardware store. Coil it on your roof, connect your garden hose, leave it in the sun for 2 hours. Then put your hand under the outlet and feel the temperature of the water coming out. That moment is the moment you realize the water heating bill was never a necessity. It was always a choice. And on this channel, we choose free. Subscribe and stay with us because the next video reveals another utility bill that nature has been offering to eliminate for free every single day while you paid a company for the privilege of not knowing it. Subscribe now.